Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get your Roku TV out of guest mode. As you can see, like this is the official website of Roku community, and there are a lot of people who are facing this issue. So how can you fix this? So Roku TV has also added the solution into their Roku support. As you can see, how to turn guest mode on and off on your Roku streaming device. So if you want the solution, here is the first step. Like if you want to turn on guest mode, like go to home, settings, and guest mode, enter the guest mode, and you just need to enter your Roku pin, and this is the pin that is required to turn off your guest mode as well. So make sure to remember this pin, and that is how you can turn it on. And if you want to turn off, so what you can do is turn off your guest mode. Here it is. So first section is you will be seeing the home section on your Roku remote. So make sure to click on home, and from here you just need to scroll and find the settings. And once you go to the settings, you just need to find this option called guest options, and once you're into the guest options, just make sure to select sign out and clear info on all the data. And once you click on sign out, you will be asked to enter the Roku pin. This is the same pin that is like when you create when you just enter the guest mode. So this pin is basically created or required to go into the guest mode. So make sure to remember the pin and enter the same pin and click on OK. And once you do that, you'll be able to turn off your guest mode on Roku device. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can turn it off and enjoy the TV.